Hello homeowners, I'm Evan James, Warranty Coordinator for Log Built Homes.
I'm Gordon Cruz, Warranty Technician.
We're going to show you how to repair a ding in your hardwood floors.
Over here I have the ding repair product. Golden oak and cherry. Depending on the color of the floor, we have white oak or red oak. Today we're going to use golden oak for the ding that is right here. Get a little bit out, find your spot, pop it right in, and your ding will disappear.
Now if you want a bonus tip, if you do not do anything to this and you leave it alone, dirt will get collected in there and it will look pretty bad after a while. So if you take a little bit of clear nail polish and just put it on, dab it on top of it, you'll be good to go.